If ElevenLabs is not loading, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem in just a couple of minutes. This is a simple step-by-step guide you can follow even if you're not technical, and it can help whether ElevenLabs is stuck on a blank screen, not opening properly, or failing to load features on your browser. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's get into it. First, before you change anything on your device, check whether the problem is actually on ElevenLabs' side. Sometimes a website is working perfectly for you, but the service itself is having an outage or maintenance issue. To confirm that, open your browser and go to the official ElevenLabs status page. You can check the history at status.elevenlabs.io/history. If you see recent incidents, degraded performance, or active outages, then the issue is probably temporary, and the best move is to wait until ElevenLabs resolves it. If the status page shows everything is operational, then the problem is likely on your side, so keep going with the next fix. The next thing to check is your browser extensions, especially ad blockers and privacy tools. Extensions like uBlock Origin, Brave Shields, or aggressive tracking protection can sometimes block scripts that ElevenLabs needs in order to load correctly. If you're using Chrome, Edge, Brave, or Firefox, try disabling your ad blocker temporarily and then refresh the page. If you're using Brave, click the Brave Shields icon and turn protection off for ElevenLabs. If you have other privacy extensions installed, pause them as well. After disabling them, reload ElevenLabs and see if it opens normally. In many cases, that alone fixes the issue because the site can finally run the scripts it needs in the background. If ElevenLabs is still not loading, the next step is to clear the browser cache with a hard refresh. Cached files can become outdated or corrupted, and that can stop a site from loading properly even when the website itself is fine. On Windows or Linux, press CTRL plus F5 to force a hard reload of the page. On some browsers, you can also hold Shift and click the refresh button. On a Mac, try Command plus Shift plus R. This tells your browser to ignore stored cached files and download a fresh version of the page. After doing that, give ElevenLabs another try. If the site suddenly loads, the issue was probably just a bad cached file or an old browser version of the page. If the website still won't load after that, it's a good idea to try opening ElevenLabs in an incognito or private window. This helps you test whether the problem is caused by cookies, stored sessions, or extensions. If ElevenLabs works in incognito mode, then the issue is likely related to your browser data or an extension conflict. If it still does not work, try a different browser entirely, such as Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Brave, and see whether the issue continues. That can help you narrow down whether the problem is browser-specific or account-related. You can also restart your browser and your internet connection because sometimes a temporary network issue can prevent the page from loading correctly. If possible, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile hotspot or from one network to another just to test whether the connection is the cause. And if nothing has worked so far, waiting a little while and checking the status page again is still a smart move, especially if the service is having a wider outage. So to recap, the fastest fixes for ElevenLabs not loading are: check the official status page, disable ad blockers and privacy shields, and clear the browser cache with a hard refresh. These 3 steps solve the problem for a lot of users, and they're all quick to try. If this video helped, please hit like and subscribe so I can keep making fast troubleshooting guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.